Happy Vlogmas Day 24. It's Christmas Eve. I'm coming to y'all with my hair in its natural, unmoisturized state. Okay, I just washed my hair and literally just let it dry like this. It's almost dry. It's still a little damp some places, but you know, this is just it. But I'm baking right now with Reginald. So I'm trying to figure out, I'm trying 2 new recipes I ain't never done. I ain't never made homemade cookies, so I'm just shook, honestly, at this point, in confusion. But this is bad light on this angle, but y'all gonna have to just work because the light is over here. I'm literally kind of following the directions on the back of this for one of the recipes, and I'm following a Pinterest recipe for another one. I'm just trying to get everything out right now. Where's baking soda?
Right there.
Where?
Well, I did put it in there in that cabinet where it belongs, but it looks like somebody did it.
I just feel like I don't know where it belongs. It looks like they moved it. It's not over here. Is it baking powder?
It's not the same.
Where's baking soda? Is it in the orange box?
Mm-hmm.
Baking soda. I got baking soda. It's not in the fridge.
Probably it's right there, next to the candles.
Campbell's chicken noodle possibility. This is not Campbell's. This is baking soda and salt.
Making chicken noodle cookies.
And I think everything else is out. And salt. Alright, y'all. We in business. It's time to bake. Okay. Here, record me while you do the vanilla. Record me while you do the vanilla. Yeah, but she told me show you that? How much?
Yeah, just one.
Right? I'm a baker, y'all. A chef. And then eggs and powder. My first batch of cookies. They look pretty good. It don't look that good in this lighting, but it's white chocolate and cranberry. I haven't tasted them yet, but I tasted the batter, and the batter was good. I made some slutty brownies. So on the bottom of these brownies is Oreos and chocolate chip cookies. And then over here we got the red velvet going. Okay, made some. Well, haven't gone in the oven yet. Clearly they're still raw. But there's the dough. There's some cookies I cut up. So well, use a little cookie cutter or whatever. And I'm gonna make some icing. So I got my icing stuff right there. Oh, I'm a chef. So it's like 5 o'clock, and I'm looking better now. Okay, this is my makeup. It's kind of saucy. The big bag for Roosevelt for Christmas. So we're on our way to do a gift exchange with him, and look how stiff my hair is right here. That was tragic. I don't know why it's stiff though. I just washed it. But anyways, that's where I'm on my way to. Hey guys, I'm at Roosevelt's house. These are some gifts he got me, I guess. The bag is super cute though. I just like the bag. This is his bag of stuff I got him. And there he is. So he wants me to open them, but he's not even paying attention. He's playing his game. No.
Go ahead.
No, because I need your undivided attention.
Last time.
Right.
So she's about to open it just
This wrapping is hilarious. The fact that you just do this in here, it's pretty funny.
So
Is there an order was it going?
no, you just go order.
Okay. So you got me some candy?
Yeah, she
White
likes
chocolate?
disgusting white chocolate. Disgusting. But she likes
Oh, a little face mask?
She likes face masks.
How you
The
know?
theme is white, so everything she's getting is white.
Oh, really?
It's kind of corny because that's her last name.
Oh, you got me two face
But it's
masks?
okay. What?
You got me two face masks?
It's not two.
It's not, oh, it's three?
No, it's not three.
Oh, it's like four. And some Kit Kat, like chocolate. Okay, the other checks you don't, but
Don't roast my wrapping.
I already am. But it's okay. Mine isn't the best either. At least you put a little bow on it. Oh, you got me some Converse?
Oh yeah. What color
White
are they?
ones?
They white? That's cute.
Yeah, that's cute.
You got white everything so
Did you
far.
say that because, did you get these because I told you what happened to my other Converse?
Yeah, you told me what happened to those a long time ago.
Yeah. Did you get the right size?
Let's see.
Isn't Converse, guy sizes?
I don't know.
They are?
I just went and said, oh, I need an 8.5 and lemons. And then he's like, all right.
I can't fit these. But we can exchange them, right?
Yeah, I mean, if you can't fit them, that's fine.
Wait, these are guys 8.5.
I don't know. I could have sworn they're women 8.5.
I'll try them on later, but I'm pretty sure Converse are guy sizes.
And you can't tell by looking at it?
I can. That's why I said that. That's how these look a little large.
Alright, well, we can go back and exchange it. No big deal. All this white stuff. Oh, what's that? That don't look like it's nothing. Nothing too important. I got you. You don't have to drop it. You can't drop it. It's fragile.
Oh, wow. You got me some Rhino. What are these called? AirPods? These saying I'd be nervous about these, though.
Why?
Because I'm like, are they going to stay in my ear?
They're headphones, yes.
I know, but
What do you think is going to happen?
they're going to fall out.
I mean, yeah, they could fall out, like, but
I'm going to be so mad if I lose one of these.
you know, is it?
I'm trying to open it, but it's just not opening.
Okay.
So I just want to see what they look like. But that's okay. Thanks, babe.
You happy?
Yeah, and you got this more face mask down here.
Yeah, you got a dude all the way in the bag that's full of air.
I can't pick it up, but I see it. But it won't come up. Yeah. Hopefully these ones don't break out my face.
They shouldn't, but I mean, either way, it was something for you to try.
Yeah. Thanks, babe.
Yep.
I appreciate everything. I love you.
Love you too. Okay, can you mind?
Yeah. His turn. Oh, you're about to be mad. Open it like over here.
What?
You're gonna have glitter all over you.
You want to glitter all over?
Yes, these. I didn't know the wrapping paper was like. I saw the glitter, but I didn't know it was falling like that. It's all over my car. Like, it's pretty bad.
Okay.
You gotta open those two together, kind of, because they go together.
Both of you?
Like the boxes like this. Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, like, you know what I mean. Just one at a time, but like, obviously, like, they go together. Huh?
I gotta sweep the floor again.
I told you.
It's in here closed.
Kinda.
Kinda.
Hopefully it's not too big or too small.
What is this, a Nike sweater?
No.
Oh,
It just has a Nike sign on it.
okay. That's dope. one thing. Let's see about the other thing. Jeez.
I'm sorry.
Nah, it's fine. You know you like to leave a mess when you come over.
I like to leave my mark.
Something like that. Damn, glitter. There's glitter and glitter, you know that? Nah, I'm just kidding. Is this a jumpsuit that I like? Because I told you I wanted a jumpsuit.
Yeah.
How cute.
Hopefully they're not too big. I don't know. I didn't know to get you a large or extra large.
Well, we'll see. I'll try it on.
But I have the receipt. If by the time I left it at my house in Skinny Dough, but
Finally got me some Henny.
because you've been asking for it.
Because you drank my bottle.
I did not.
That's cool. Oh, I can tell you now, you were supposed to get the white sangria, but they didn't have it down there.
Oh well, it's okay.
Yeah. Mary and white.
This one has a lot of glitter too, so as you can see.
I know you like shiny things. Ooh, that's some hardens.
No. Hope you like those. I don't know.
Oh, you got me the older hardens. Oh, okay, I see it.
You said those are the newer ones.
Nah, these are volume 3. These are the older ones.
They said those are number whatever. That's the newest ones that's out.
Who said that?
At the Foot Locker.
At Foot Locker?
Mhm.
Oh, you're right. That's the number. Okay. What made you get this color?
Cause you like colors, and there was only another one black and white.
There's another one black and white.
I mean, we can get the black and white ones if you want. If you
Nah.
exchange them.
These are cool. I need some hoop shoes. But I know these ones.
They glow in the
cheap.
dark. It said.
Oh, how cute. I know these ones are cheap. How much are they?
Why are you trying to look at the price tag? That's why it's not even on there.
It's not cool. It's like, it's expensive.
Okay. This gives for both of us. It goes towards Mino.
Oh, any of these?
Mhm.
That's specifically that one?
Yeah.
So, like, can you get it on the camera?
It's on there.
Oh, today can it? Alright. Oh, what the hell is Yard House?
You know been to your house?
Oh,
Yeah, they have one in Mission Valley.
Bahama Breeze?
I don't know, but I don't know what any of these. I heard of them, and them. I don't know what these other ones are though.
I've heard the Cheddars.
I was gonna get just the all-red one, but I got it at the store. Okay, those are the gifts, guys. I'm tired of vlogging.